Hi, all right, so I just finished my juicing and I want to talk about organic gardening today. So I'm just coming outside with my juice pulp. As you can see, you can grow your own food anywhere. So I just have outside on my deck a planter where I've started to grow herbs, right? Lettuce, herbs, different ones. They all haven't sprouted yet. And over here I've got some more herbs. So you can just do herbs. I like to do herbs on pots. And then I've got all my healing herbs up here. So I've got herbs like along my railing here. I have a railing. Got all these little herb boxes along there, right? So I've got mint and lemon balm and thyme and rosemary and basil and oregano and parsley and all these different ones. And then I'll just show you an aerial shot of my garden. You can see my garden below. So there's 4 boxes. There's vegetables along one side and along the other side. So of course I have a little bit more space to do that than some people, but you can truly do it anywhere. We've grown little strawberries on our deck in pots for our kids. And I want to show you something else. So along the one side of my house here, I better shut my door so my dog doesn't escape. Bit of an escape artist. Okay, so along the one side of my house where we have flower beds, I've ripped all the flower beds out and I've planted just tomatoes and rhubarb and some things like pumpkins and things like that will sprout up later. So this is just along the back wall of our house, as you can see. So I've done rhubarb there and tomatoes. Hi! So rhubarb and tomatoes. And then we have fruit trees planted. So I've got peach tree, a big peach tree there. I've got a plum tree, and I've planted some smaller fruit trees. We try to plant a few fruit trees every year, which is wonderful. Okay, so now I'm just walking out